In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to activate the single sign-on feature with BestCrypt. BestCrypt Volume Encryption is a unique tool for superior whole disk encryption. With BestCrypt, you can encrypt old MS-DOS-style partitions residing on multiple physical disk devices. For example, spanned, striped, mirrored, or RAID5 volumes. It also supports MBR and GPT partitions. Open BestCrypt Volume Encryption. Click Run as administrator. You will be asked for elevation. Click Yes. Switch to Advanced Mode. To activate the single sign-on feature, you must first encrypt your system. If you haven't done that yet, then please watch that how-to video on our website to learn how to encrypt your system with BestCrypt. Now go to the Options menu and click Single Sign-On. Enter boot password. Now enter your Windows login password. Single sign-on is now activated. Next time you will directly log into Windows after entering your boot password at system restart. Congratulations! You have successfully activated single sign-on with BestCrypt. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.